Welcome to my YouTube channel Automations with Milad, and in today's video I will teach you how to create Azure Resource Group in the Azure PowerShell. After creating the resource group, I will teach you how to create the storage V2 account, and then we will set it up the Azure Blob storage container. And at the end of the video, I will teach you how to delete or remove all of the resources step by step. So let's get started.
So what is resource group? Resource group is basically it's like a folder that organizes and manages all of your Azure services. For example, if you have Azure Blob storage account as well as SQL database, logic app, custom connectors, it lives inside the resource group. Now let's get started. Because we already connected our Azure account, we just write the command get Azure Resource Group and it will show us the list of all the resource groups present. Now we will learn how to create a new resource group. So what you do, you just write new AZ resource group. The name of the resource group, I just name it demo RG and the location. You can choose any location that can best suits you. I will choose, of course, Central India. Now it's created successfully. Now we will check it either it is present in our resources or not. So but we just write this command and check our resources once again. So you see the resource group that we have created now is present. Demo RG is also present in our other resource groups or other resources that we have in our Azure account. So in this way you can create a resource group. Now we will proceed forward how to delete our resource group. But before moving forward, we can clear the screen, clear post, and now we will learn how to delete a resource group. For removing a resource group, what you need to do is just write remove AZ resource group. Its name, in our case, it is demo RG, and hit enter. Then it will ask for whether or not we have to proceed with the command. So we want to delete it. So we will say yes. Now it is successfully deleted the resource group. So we need to check once again either it is deleted successfully or not. So we run this command once again and we will see the resource group removed successfully. So now we can proceed with the command to create a blob storage account. We just had to write new AZ storage account, then the resource group name in which resource group, and we want to create a blob storage, a storage account. So we will of course create it in demo RG, and then name of the resource group that we want to create. So here we have to understand one thing. Always name the resource group in smaller letters with number because it only supports that template. Other templates, slashes, dashes are not supported in it. So we will name it demo RG storage ACCT 0001112. You can name it anything according to your own wish. And then SKU name. So here arises a question, what is SKU? SKU is basically a performance and replication model. So we have to write the name of it, standard LRS. LRS basically stands for local redundant storage. After that, we will write what kind of account we want to create. We will create the basic one that we called a storage V2 account. Storage V2 account is basically a normal storage account that we commonly use for creation of save different types of data. It can handle all sort of data easily. So we normally create that account. So hit enter and we will see how it will create. So wait for a bit. Can't validate SQ name. So we, I think, did a mistake in the, what is the error? Can't validate argument on parameter SQ name. The argument standard LRS does not belong to the set of standard LRS. These are the issues. I just did a small mistake, small grammatical error, and it will throw me that big. So I wrongly spelled the standard spellings. So that's why we have to deal with that error. So error is a good way to understand the course depth of your knowledge. So I will create it once again. So I have write the command once again, and we will hit enter, and we will see how it creates the storage account for us. I had write the command already, and we will hit enter, and it will create a storage account for us. Now it is asking for a location. Write a location, then I will write a Central India, and it will create. So it throws another error. Demo storage account is not a valid storage account name. Storage account name must between 3 to 24 later. So I intentionally did it for you, so you guys can see. So we have to be strict with the names and the letters we will use. So it is not supporting demo storage account tetra 4112. So it is not a valid storage name. So we have to once again write the valid storage name, and then we will try once again. So before proceeding, we will clear the screen so we can perform our task easily. Now we will hit enter, and it will ask for the kind of account that we want to create. So we will create a storage v2 account. So hit enter. Now we will hit enter, and we will see how it will create a storage account for us. Now you see it is successfully created a storage account, and provide we have created a storage account with demo storage 9875 with the in the resource group demo RG with the primary location of Central India. SQ name I already explained it, standard LRS, and storage we created storage v2 creation date, and also we have to see a status of succeeded. So before proceeding forward, we will check either or not it is created properly. So we write the command. So now I will check the context. You just need to new AZ storage context, then the storage account name, and then we will use our existing account to connect it. It is created a container for us. So it is showing all the details: storage account name, blob endpoint, table endpoint, key endpoint, file endpoint, context of the command, storage account entries, your storage account, tag 20 auth token, share token intent, endpoint fix, and connection string. Now we have successfully created the Azure storage account, as well as we also checked the storage context. Now we proceed with the creation of Azure Blob Container. So how we create a new container inside the Azure storage account? We just write new AZ storage container, then the name of the storage account, and then we will write the context. So before moving forward, I have to explain you regarding why I should choose the context permission off. So what does permission off means? It means who wants to access your container. For example, if you create a public container, then you don't have to provide that command permission off. You it's always on. So I explicitly write permission off. It means that only authorized person proper access to our organization, a particular data will access that account. Otherwise, nobody can access that account. So that's why I choose to permission off. Now it has created a container successfully. Now we will delete a storage account. So how to delete a storage account? It is quite simple. You just write remove easy storage account, name of the account. In our case, it is demo storage 9875, and then the name of resource group, in which resource group it exists, demo RG, and then hit enter. So it is asking for to confirm. So we will confirm with the Y. So it will delete our storage account. After that, we have to wait for a bit because it is working in the background. So it is successfully deleted Azure storage account.
That's it for this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please support to my channel and subscribe it and stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, I will provide you complete details step by step how we can use variables, conditional rendering, and conditional logics, as well as how to create loops, how to create files and upload files by using the Azure PowerShell. And if you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment section.